Hi guys! Oh my god. I have not seen you guys or talked to you guys. I missed you guys so much. Oh my god, it's been forever. I know. Here's my perfect excuse why it's been forever. I revamped my studio. We literally revamped this entire studio. We have new lighting come in. We're just like, you know what? We need new equipment and we just need more amazing special things to make these videos every single week. So you guys, I am here. I'm game on. I'm back. So you guys, welcome back to my channel. I miss you guys so much. If you guys are tuning back in, welcome back. If you guys are new, hello, how are you? It's Kimora. And go ahead, hit that subscribe button because bitch, you're gonna love me. You're gonna love me because let me tell you something. Look how stunning I am. And you guys, I've been going to the fucking gym. Like, what is going on, you guys? Miss Kimora's been going to the fucking gym and just, I don't know. It's just been a place for me to go to kind of just clear my mind and really reset every single day. Because right now, I need to reset every single day. Now, this collection came in about a week ago. I was not going to review it because I was like, you know what? It's a tiny collection. It's such a tiny collection. I don't know if I want to review it. But as I'm seeing looks online, I'm getting kind of like inspired by these looks. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do a video. I have the full Morphe Coca-Cola collection collaboration in the studio. Now you guys know I'm a Morphe girl to the fullest and I love Morphe. It's just one of my favorite brands I work with. And I know some people are not Morphe people, some people are. And now if you guys are Morphe fans, if you guys are shopping on Morphe.com and also in store, you guys can use my code Kimora. It does save you money off at the end. I'm gonna have the code right here on the bottom of this video. So in here, you guys, it's a very small collection. It's a very tiny collection and we're gonna just brief through it really fast to really kind of get you guys momentum going. Obviously, this is brushes, Coca-Cola 1971, the Unity collection. This is so cute. Honestly, this is not a typical makeup bag that I would pick up in store for myself. I just wouldn't pick up this makeup bag. It's just kind of really, really cute, girly, youthful. I mean, it's totally not me at all. And then also, you guys, at the end of this video, I will be announcing a big giveaway because I have not given away anything for a while. Next, we do have the mascara. Now, this is the Make It Big mascara. Now, they did launch a full mascara already with Morphe, so this looks like repackaging. So this is the Morphe mascara. This is the repackaged mascara. So I want to say maybe they are the same. It's the Make It Big mascara, and this is also Make It Big mascara. So if you guys are collector, this is pretty dope. If you guys love Coca-Cola. Now, by the way, Coca-Cola is my top #1 favorite soda. Now, I can tell you the difference between every single Coca-Cola from every fast food restaurant. That's how much I love Coca-Cola. So this is the mascara, very standard. You know what? I might even just put this in the giveaway as well. So next, we do have 4 new lip shades. These are lip glosses, I want to say. Usually, I always judge a lip product by its cover. I was right, 4 little mini lip glosses. So this is so cute, right? Very standard. We have 2 nudes, we have a cute little coral, and we have a purple. You know what? I will be putting this in the giveaway as well. But I will not be giving you guys this because I am gonna use this today and I actually really do like the colors in this packaging. Actually, this palette. I went ahead already opened this. I already kind of know what it looks like, but I don't know if you guys know yet. So here you guys go. Coca-Cola 1971 Morphe collaboration. There you guys go. Boom. Very cute. Love these beautiful brown shades here. I love kind of like this transition of color here. It gets into like a very pastel, bluish, greenish kind of vibe. Like right here is so me. Like I'm gonna literally blow out my eye with these colors here and then maybe dip into some of that green, something to really kind of really take it there to the next level, you guys. So I do love this packaging. I think it's really cute. I think it's a very youthful, fun kind of palette. Now, do I think it's one of their best? No, I don't think this is one of their best. One, because it does not have my face on it. Second, it's just, here's the thing, you guys, when it comes to collections, I need to be wowed. I'm not wowed lately. I think what a lot of the brands are doing, I'm not wowed. There's nothing really fresh. People are using the same people over and over and I'm just over it. I don't care who the fuck is this in charge of this palette, girl. I don't care. Is this one of the collections that I'm gonna remember forever? No, I'm probably gonna forget this later. Sorry, Morphe, I love you. I really do love you, but this is just kind of like not it for me. But I'm gonna try it out because a lot of the looks are kind of cunt. So that being said, get your brushes, get a little closer. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna do my makeup kind of backwards today. Usually I start off with the full face foundation, but today I'm gonna start with my eyes. My brows are already cut and ready to go. But yeah, get a little closer. All right, you guys, so my brows are sculpted. As you guys can see here, I do have foundation above my brows, and I did a little shade lighter underneath my brow. Very sculpted, very that kind of girl kind of brow, you know what I mean? So you guys, I apologize for all of this. My skin looks so much better. So let's go ahead and base it up a little bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the Base Pro, but I am actually gonna use this product a little different today, you guys. I actually saw a little tutorial on YouTube on ways to kind of use eye primers. And it's kind of interesting to me because usually when I do eye primers, I usually just get it on and go. But today I'm gonna actually put it on and then I'm gonna set it. We'll get it on with the brush. And when you get the primer on, this is probably the only primer that I actually really use, to be honest. You want to kind of like blend it really seamlessly. And then honestly, I like to kind of just take it all over because you're going to put foundation and contour right there by the nose anyways. So it doesn't really matter like where it goes. Now, I do find some complications with eye primers and concealers. So when you guys do take it down here, be careful a little bit. I'm trying not to kind of take it, you know, too far down. I have a separate brush on the side, so I use it to kind of blend out the edges. We really want like a blended kind of set. Once you guys have that kind of blended out, buffed out, and set, now we want to I want to go back and set it. I want to set it with a very translucent light powder. I want to see what the shadow looks like when I do this. When you kind of set it, we'll see, right? So, primer's on. It's also set and blended and buffed. So now we are ready to go right into these shades. So I'm gonna start off with these colors here, you guys. I'm gonna start off with these browns. I think these browns are really speaking to me a little bit, and maybe I might do a little bit of that Hilltop Hope green right on the lid right here. I think that's really pretty. Now I'm gonna start my inner corner with a little bit of orange and just kind of like really take it there into the brow. I love to start my inner corner because it does kind of like shape my nose. Because usually what I do is I take that shade and I really do bring it down. So this orange is actually really pretty. It's really warm. It's actually very pigmented. Like I'm actually not even, wow, that's actually really pigmented. So I take it and I just really want to buff it, you know, buff it in, blend it out. It actually looks different. It looks different on than in the palette. Look at that. It's called Oh Honey. I thought it was gonna be more orange, so okay. Wow, this shade is actually really pretty. I'm not gonna lie. And this is kind of like what I like to create. It's like you see this really soft blurred out moment. Like that's kind of like where right here is where I'm going to put the highlight of my nose. So just kind of do that. And you guys, so far, I really do love setting my primer. It's like, it's actually working like really well. Let's go ahead and take that color out. Like let's go ahead and take it out here and just really blend it into the skin. Oh wow, that's so pretty. I haven't changed my brush yet, so I've been kind of keeping the same brush. I do love this brush for like blown out shadows. This is the Morphe M505. Literally my favorite brush ever to feather out shadow. Like I literally buy like 5 of them because I love them so much and I hate to like mix them with color. Next we're gonna do the shade Join Hands. I can't even read backwards. Join Hands. And then we're gonna kind of work our way like this way and then down. So that's the kind of like this color scheme to kind of go and just really blend it. And then when you guys go really soft and slow, you're gonna start to kind of really see the colors conjoin themselves into really making something deeper and deeper. So never really want to rush this part. I want something in the corner. And when you guys are doing this, really try to keep your eyes open. I always mention that in every single video. Oh, look at that, it's so fucking pretty. I'm like really into these shades. Take a little bit of that shade and just really buff it in there. Ooh, really pretty. All right, you guys, next, let's keep the same brush. Let's go ahead and do Warm Fuzzies. So it will be this shade right here, and then we're gonna work our way to Commercial Break. So we're now, like I said, you guys, we're building the colors, we're building the shade, we're just really intensifying the browns to really blend and really milk with each other. And honestly, if I'm just doing this smoky eye, you guys, I really feel like the browns do complement each other. They're very warm. They're very easy to work with. I really do truly think it's because I set it my eye primer with powder. Because sometimes when I like don't set it, I mean this is the first time, like what I experience sometimes is it gets kind of like wet and get kind of like weird, you know what I mean? So I'm so happy I checked out that tutorial. And don't worry about right here, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and go back and clean it up very well so you guys can make all the mess you guys want. So just taking Warm Fuzzies and just really be giving it that little extra kick. Ooh, I love it. All right, you guys, so now what we're gonna do, we want to kind of switch up the brush a little bit because this shade is a little darker because I really want to carve a crease. So I'm gonna use something like this. I mean, you guys can pick up whatever brush you guys want, but I do love a little fluffy but very thin. And then we're gonna go ahead and pick out another brush, which is gonna be more of like a fatter buff brush. So these are like my two favorite things when it comes to like using it for like dark shades, because dark shades you really want to like control. So taking commercial break, and we're just gonna carve out this crease right here. Okay, just like that. Ooh, it's a very subtle brown. I do actually really love this palette. Very soft, very easy. So I'm gonna take this bigger brush and you just kind of pack it. Like you wanna pack it like this. It does work amazing when you wanna use like black shadows or shades that you don't wanna like all over the place. So I'm taking that and I'm just gonna really bring it in there. Next shade is called Iconic Italy. So taking that shade, you guys, we're gonna take it. I wanna take it and I'm just gonna press it. I'm just gonna press it right there and just really let it be smoky. Ooh, that's a shade. I love that. Oh my god, it's so fucking pretty. See, when it comes to like this, you guys, a lot of people take the brush. I like to take my finger and just kind of like blend it in there. Sometimes when I find a brush, it does move it around. So when you take a finger, it does kind of keep it there. I don't know if it works or not, but I used to do that. How pretty is that? Oh my god, I love this. I don't even want to cut the crease. Like I want to like just kind of keep it like this. Now that we have that set, okay, we're not going to clean it up yet. So because I went ahead and set my primer, I don't know if I need to wet a brush to put on that shimmer or not. So what we're gonna do is pull out a green primer. I have here the KVD Vegan Beauty Lemmy Green Primer. So the whole point of this eyeshadow today, you guys, it's supposed to be brown and smoky and pulled out. And I really want a tight green kind of lid to really showcase this shade here called Hilltop Hope, okay? Hilltop Hope is that green that you really want to bring out. So I'm really hoping this green is going to be it for me. Let's go ahead and just dip a little bit into this primer. So just get a little bit like this, and I'm just gonna tap it on. Now I could have easily went in and carved it out and really given you like the whole like carved eye and just that whole look, but I think today we're gonna, you know, do a little different things. All right, so now we have the green base, okay, Lemmy Green from KVD Vegan Beauty. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply Hilltop Hope and let's see what it does. And let's pray to all the gods that this is gonna work. Oh, wow. Oh, you guys, are you guys not witnessing this? Wow. Oh my God. Oh, wow, you guys. Wow. Same thing on the other eye. Let's take it and pack it on. Oh, MJ, that's so pretty. I wonder what happens if I mix the blue with it. Should I do that or no? Oh my god, it's so pretty. Should we mix the blue in there to kind of like really just be like, bitch, we're fucking makeup artists, like no one can touch us? Should we mix some blue in there? Fuck it, right? Okay, so you guys, so next, let's go ahead. I'm kind of curious on what this blue looks like. This is Flash Forward. Let's see. Okay, it's kind of like bluish, mermaidish. I'm just gonna do a little bit. I don't really like it. I think the green by itself is really pretty. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Wow, I'm actually very shook. There is one thing I want to do because I don't like it. Let's see. Okay, this is like my biggest pet peeve is like this little area right here. Like you see this area where it's like brown and green, like it's not a good transition color, right? So what you want to do when those things are, you want to pick like a shade that's kind of in the middle. So right now I'm going to go ahead and kind of pick maybe this auburn shade here called Warm Fuzzies. And what you do is you kind of want to like repeat what you did here right there. You kind of tap it and then this is where you start to kind of really bring in that really pretty fade. See? I always say it's like the middle shade. Always the middle shade, and then you take the dark shade and you kind of press it in, and it does kind of give you like that little, oh, this is a really pretty eye. Like I'm actually very into it. I never really do green and browns, but this is like, I can actually see myself wearing this. Because right now this is where we would want to clean up and jump into foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up my only wipe that I love, these Neutrogena wipes. And this is where you want to cut it and you want to kind of clean it up. So basically the steps are, it's like now you want to clean this up, sharpen it up, get the foundation, get the concealer, and then we're gonna go back and I'm gonna bring in these same exact shades, the browns. So taking a little Neutrogena wipe, this is like, and honestly, one of the most amazing tricks ever. You take the makeup wipe and you just kind of really, you kind of want to clean it. See? You just clean a little bit, like so. Look at all the fallout that we had literally cleaned up. Like, this would have been all over your freaking concealer and you would have been mad. Like, if you're great at doing makeup without like fallout, kudos to you. Oh, I love it. All right, guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my full look, foundation, lip, lash, and get a little wig on and show you guys the final look. You guys, I'm actually very fucking surprised that I can get this wig on. Y'all don't understand, all my wigs are literally so small from my head because my hair is growing. So if you guys just, woo, I think I did great. Yeah, I'm fucking feeling it. I literally just shot a reel on my Instagram because I'm just honestly feeling it. But you guys, we finally got to the final look. I mean, honestly, like, the eyes is cunt. I think it's cunt. I think it's pretty. I think it's very like universal. You guys, I had so much fucking fun. Thank you so much for viewing the channel. Thank you so much for viewing this video. You guys, okay, so let's go ahead and get to that point of the video where I talk about the ifs and buts. Do we need this palette? Do we need it? I don't know. Pros and cons, you guys. 1971, Coca-Cola, and Morphe. Okay, so here's the cons. I'm not super like wowed. That's the con. And here's the thing. I haven't been like wowed in months. Okay, so it's not just this. I think what I need is like a little kick in my butt on like something to be like inspirational or something exciting. Like I think I need something. You know what I mean? Like I don't know what it is. I think right now in the beauty world, it's a little slow. It's a little kind of like meh. You know what I mean? A lot of people are just kind of like meh. That being said, that's the con. The pros is, I really do love this eye. Now, do you guys need this eye? I actually think you do. I think this eye is really pretty. I think this is an eye that a lot of people can wear, different skin tone, different events, different birthdays, parties, whatever you guys are going. I think this is definitely like an eye that I can see a lot of people wearing. And it's honestly, I feel like the pros of this palette is it's very easy. I think what it speaks is there's a lot of different things you could do with this palette. I think there's a lot of nice, very easy frost shadows and shimmer shadows, and then we do love this side as well. I'm obsessed with Oh Honey. Like, if I had a palette by Morphe, Oh Honey would definitely be a shade. I wouldn't call it Oh Honey, I would call it something else, but I would just say overall, like, this very beautiful yellowish warm, you guys saw, it looks different on than in the palette. Look at that. It's called Oh Honey. Wow, this shade is actually really pretty. I'm not gonna lie. Because this was just it. Like, this is so fire right here. Like, I'm so obsessed with these colors. I love this. Like, this is all that. And you guys definitely saw when I did the Hilltop Hope. It just really brought it together. So I'm very excited and I'm very interested in seeing what Loved Up and Poptimistic means. So that being said, do I think you guys need this palette? I actually think you guys do. I think this palette is worth it, especially at Morphe price. And if you guys use my code Kimora and you guys can knock off money off, it's gonna be cheaper than what it is. I think it's cute. I think it's a really worth it palette for sure. Now, the other products, the brushes, the lips, that's up to you guys. So right now, if you guys are shopping on Morphe, make sure you guys are using my promo code Kimora. It does save you off. Other than that, we made it to the end of the video. I will be giving 2 big giveaways, okay? 2 big giveaways, 1 skincare giveaway. I'm gonna give one big skincare giveaway because skincare, I feel like a lot of people neglect it and there's not a lot of skincare giveaways. So I have so much amazing, new, fresh skincare products that I wanna give to someone out there. So another second giveaway, I will be giving a big makeup giveaway, including the products from this collection, the mascara, the brushes, and the lip gloss from this Coca-Cola collaboration. So that will be in there as well. So all you guys got to do for the big giveaway on the bottom right now is, all you got to do is write promo code Kimora in the comments and I will pick 2 lucky winners for this big giveaway. You guys, this is gonna be a big giveaway. After this, I'm gonna get out of drag, get the boxes, and get this popping and get it going by next week, darling. All you gotta do is type in promo code Kimora and I will pick the lucky 2 winners. So other than that, thank you so much for viewing this channel. I love y'all. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you're new. I'll see you next week. Mwah!